Hello friends, I am Sunil Kumar. Today we are discussing the topic about evaluation of anti-epileptic potential and muscle relaxant activity of Solanum lycopersicum leaves in rodents. So I will discuss now introduction of the epilepsy. Epilepsy is none an illness. It is a symptom of underbrain neuron disorders. This like the neuron disorders in the brain, the epilepsy cause. It's the word epilepsy is derived from a Greek word. The epilepsy word is derived from Greek word. The cells of the brain do with community by electrical transmitters. Community by electrical transmitters. An abnormal electrical from a cell group occurs resulting in seizures. So seizures are type of two types. Number one is partial seizure. The partial seizure is a seizures activity originates in one part of the brain. The partial seizure, one part of the brain seizure cause, and the generalized seizure are the whole brain cause the seizure activity. So generalized seizure are the five types. Number one, absence seizure, myoclonic seizure, tonic-clonic seizure, tonic seizure, and atonic seizure. So the study is about the Solanum lycopersicum leaves activity, about the extract of leaves activity in anti-epileptic potential. And then in the present study of Solanum lycopersicum containing in anti-epileptic activity has shown protection against seizures induced by the maximum electroshocks and pentylene tetrazole, PTZ, and isoniazid. So the Solanum lycopersicum extract induced seizure against electroshock, pentylene, pentrazole, and isoniazid. So this activity of anti-epileptic activity is shown in the extract of Solanum lycopersicum leaves extract. And then the method and materials, plant materials. The leaves of the Solanum lycopersicum collected from local garden of the Hygieia Institute of Pharmaceutical Research in Lucknow, and then the set dry, about the 10 days. About 10 days the set dry. After the washing of microorganisms and the dust over the leaves, and then the change to fine powder, by electrical grinder, and sieve then the powders. After then extraction in methanolic by a maceration process for 7 days. For the 7 days, methanolic is the solvent to extract, and then extract collected, then solvent removed by the distillation process. Then the solvent removed by the distillation process and vacuum dried. Then the extract is vacuum dried. Then the finally yield of 87.77% of the ESL extract of ethanolic Solanum lycopersicum leaves. The next is the phytochemical screening. The phytochemical screening is the detection of the components containing extract about the leaf and other part of the plants by the chemical reactions. So number one is the alkaloids. Alkaloids contains in extract of tomato leaves by the detection of dragon drops test. And the next flavonoids is detection of the synodage test, and glycosides is Killian's test. Then saponins detected by the foam test, and carbohydrates is the Moll's test, and steroids also containing in the EESL, tomato leaves extract. Then these are the detected by the TLC, UV, IR and NMR. These are the platform of phytochemical screening of the extract. So then the TLC is 5 spots were detected with RF values. Number 1, rutin. Rutin RF value is 0.79. Rutin RF value is 0.79 in the TLC with the spray of ninhydrin. So the spot of found 0.79 and then the chemoferol was 0.96 and solasodine was 0.26 and quercetin was 0.30. Quercetin was 0.04. For the TLC, thin layer chromatography, detected by the 5 compounds in the tomato leaf extract. So these are compounds in the effective in anti-epileptic potential. And then the next step is animals. Next step is animals. So animals are the animal housing in 20 mice. After the animal housing, the induced seizure in the 4 groups, 4 groups of each 5. One group having 5 mouse. So number 1 is PTZ, pentatetrazole induced seizure in mice. Dose the 60 mg per kg. Pentatetrazole dose is 60 mg per kg. And then the standard drug is diazepam. Standard drug is diazepam 4 mg per kg. The ESL at dose of 200 and 400 mg per kg, divided in 2 groups, 200 and 400 mg per kg. So compare with the standard and test drug with the help of normal saline. Normal saline dose is 10 ml per kg. Next, the isoniazid induced seizure convulsion in mice. So about the dose of isoniazid 300 mg per kg. And the next process is same as follow. EESL at dosage of 200 and 400 mg per kg with the compare of standard drug diazepam and normal saline 10 ml per kg. Next, the muscle relaxant activity. Both have the dose of ESL dosage 200 and 400 mg per kg in the muscle relaxant activity of the rotor rods. Next is conversion. The result of this research is, according to antileptic models, it was confirms that dose level 400 mg was more effective than dose level of 200 mg per kg. More effective 400 kg about the 200 mg per kg in the comparison of dose levels. So dose level 400 mg shows significant epileptic activity. The ethanolic extract of Solanum lycopersicum was found to possess anti-epileptic activity. About this research, the conclusion of this research is the anti-epileptic activity containing the lycopersicum leaves extract. Thank you.